Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Tom over at Gas, and today I'm going to be doing a short video on a Volkswagen Golf Mark 7 DSG oil change. So we've got the vehicle in, nice and warm. So yeah, now we'll stick on the ramp and I'll walk you through the process. So we've got the vehicle on the ramp. All we have to do is just remove this air intake pipe from the air filter. And then if we look down the back of the engine, there's our DSG oil filter. So you just need a 24mm socket and you can crack that off. So I've just loosened that slightly for now. Then I'll raise the vehicle and then we'll drain all the oil out. So with the vehicle up in the air, just look underneath the gearbox. We've got the sump plug there. You'll need a 14mm Allen key. We'll let that drain out. Then inside there'll be a filler tube. So then we'll remove that. We'll get an 8mm Allen key. We'll just take out the filler tube. It shouldn't be very tight. And this will drain the rest of our oil out. So yeah, as soon as that's drained out, we'll refit the filler tube and then the sump plug. Oh, we'll put the oil in first. So now the DSG oil's drained, we'll put the filler plug back in. So basically what that is a plastic filler tube. When you put the oil in, that is your level. Once it reaches there, it will drain the excess down the middle of the tube, back out the bottom. But we check that once the temperature's right in the gearbox. So we'll just go ahead and put all that back in. So we just want that finger tight. So yeah, just be careful not to over tighten it. And then we'll put our filler tube adapter on the gearbox. And then that's ready for the new gearbox oil. So we're now going to put the oil in the vehicle. I've got my adapter on the gearbox. I've got my gear oil in, 6 litres in total. There's different filling machines you can buy. You could buy the hose that will just go into the bottles. If it's just a DIY for your own vehicle, then that'd be a cheaper option. Or you could, different options, like I say. We go with this one, it's a lot faster. And we've got plenty of different adapters for different manufacturers. So yeah, I'll just knock the tab. And then that'll put the full 6 litres in. Once that's in, I'll just close the tap off and then I'll run it up to the temperature. And save me taking all my adapter out and putting the sump plug back in, I can leave that all in there. And then once it's up to temperature, it's just a matter of removing the adapter and putting the sump plug back in. So we've got the new oil filter installed. We've put the air intake pipe back on. Now we've just got to check the oil, get it to the correct level. So Volkswagen states check the oil between 35 and 45 degrees. Yep, that's it. So at the minute, I've just got the snap-on machine here just for quickness and ease. So I've gone into transmission fluid temperature. We're currently at 24. So we'll start it up. Just run through all the gears for about 3 seconds. Put it back into park. Just raise the vehicle back up. So I've left off fill it all on the adapter, so once this is up to temperature we'll remove that, let the excess drain out. So here at the minute it's 26, so I'll come back shortly. So Volkswagen specified to check their transmission oil when the temperature is around 35 to 45 degrees Celsius. Temperature is now at 36, so we'll go ahead and remove the adapter from the gearbox. We'll let that run out. As soon as that starts trickling out, you know the level's correct, and we can just reinstall the sump plug. Level's correct. So it's all back together now. Sump plug's back in the gearbox with a new washer. Yeah, I hope it's helped you. Yeah, important thing is to always check the gearbox temperature when checking the level. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope it's helped some of you out. And yeah, if you like it, don't forget to give our page a like and, well, subscribe and like. And we'll keep uploading some more videos for you all.